Hello traders, welcome to this video on the order block edge indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video we'll cover how this indicator marks order block zones on the chart, what they imply and what settings it provides. At this point I will load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. The order block edge indicator draws rectangular zones on the main price chart to mark identified order block areas. These zones highlight candles or price range where the market made a significant impulsive move, suggesting the presence of institutional order activity at that level. Bullish order block zones appear below the current price, implying areas where buying interest may re-emerge when price return. As you can see, an order block down here showing buying interest re-emerging. You can also see another order block, a bullish order block, another bullish order block, followed by buying activity. Meanwhile, bearish order block zones appear above the current price, implying potential selling pressure if price retraces to that zone. As you can see here, you can see the order block here, and price touches the order block and falls back down, showing strong selling pressure. The edge in the name refers to the precise boundary of the block, the specific price level where the institutional activity is concentrated. And let's look at its settings. When we go over to its settings, we can see the bar count, which is the look back period that sets how far back in history the indicator searches for order block. We have the support zone, resistance zone color. Now we have the mode. You can go through this at your convenience and adjust it to suit your trading style. This indicator suits smart money traders and ICT based price action traders using MT4 and MT5. It's a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trade. It's worth noting that not every detected order block will produce a price reaction, as we can see here. As we can see here, trend context and additional price action confirmation are essential. You can find this indicator in the download link in the description below. Don't forget to visit the Forex Geek for more free tools, and kindly like, subscribe and turn on notifications if you found this helpful.